Bet you can't clone me, Kobe. Woo!
I bet you I can. Challenge is accepted. To clone you, I had to find out exactly where that toilet was. You didn't just lick a toilet, you licked the seat of a mobile plastic bathroom in broad daylight. So I ran a search online. Turns out that there are over 10 million porta potties around the world. But I saw something you didn't. Right behind you to the left was a sign that said Garden Beauticians. I took a screenshot and called the company. I sent them the exact image of the garden around the porta potty and asked them where that was located. They told me it was in Vermont, and they gave me the exact address. So I flew all the way to Vermont on a 6-hour flight. When I landed, I headed straight to the location they gave me, and sure enough, the porta potty was still there. I opened the door, walked in, and swabbed your DNA directly off the toilet seat. I sealed the DNA sample inside a chemical grade tube, packed it in my chemical grade case, and headed back to the airport. I flew all the way back to my lab with your DNA inside my hand. That's when the cloning began. First, I dropped the swab in a red lysis solution to break apart the compartments. I loaded it in a centrifuge to isolate the usable material. Under the microscope, I checked the sample. Your DNA was somehow still intact. I transferred it into a test tube and began prepping for clone generation. Then I connected everything to the genetic scanner to monitor the live reaction. The cells were forming clusters and beginning to divide on their own. My $10,000 microscope confirmed it. Cells were forming, tissues were multiplying, the cell was taking shape. This is you at 6 months old, and soon I will have a little toilet licker for myself.